here on stage, and I decided to join this competition. I decided to be the first runner-up, so I won't answer the question. Ladies, ready for the speaker? What's the question? How old is the essence of being a woman in our society? Ever since I was a child, my mama told me, never, ever to talk to strangers.
Anong ulam mo?
Talk to you. I won't answer the question.
Charan! Ulo ng bangus na dinain!
Ay, sarap ah.
Ang daming ways para sumagot.
Ma'am, anong ulam?
Ikaw, madam, anong ulam mo? May table ka pa.
Yes! Mukhang
Excuse me, pag ganun ba, panalo pa rin?
Sarap ah.
kanin, may sitaw, may kanin, may sabaw.
Ay, sabaw. Sige.
May sabaw ng suka.
Sino nag-cook niyan?
Si Miss Sugar!
Ah, si Sugar. Wow, ang ating cooking show. Yummy, yummy. Oh, si Mother Earth, oh. Busy-busy si Mother Earth. Pa. Ganda ng hair. Ikaw na.
Lagay mo yung isa kong hairnet, yung ano.
Ganda ng hair, oh, ni Mother Earth, oh. Opak. Oh, diba?
Magandang hair dyan.
Diba? This is Sophie. Marimar ng Wickets.
Pocahontas din ngayon.
Ha?
Pocahontas.
Pocahontas ba ngayon?
Siya ngayon.
Ah, siya si Pocahontas. Oo nga, no. Nung nakaraan, si Marimar. Oh, sige, papakita namin sa inyo yung pagiging Marimar niya.
Naku po.
Yeah. It's showtime na pala. Si Vice. Okay. Punta na kayo mga friends. Pagawa na.
Ayan na ma'am.
Oh, may customer na.